exercise sa Kabadbagan sa Lalamunan ni Tita Inday. Pasensya na kayo kung sintonado si Tita Inday. Nasaan ang pag-ibig mo? Dati ay nadarama sa puso mo'y naglaro na. Kahit na di kasama ka, para kang nag-iisa. Di ba't meron ka ng iba? Pilit mang isipan mo, kung mahal ka, ito'y hindi ko magawa. Huwag mo nang itago pa, kung sadyang ayaman na, sana ay lumigaya ka. Sabi mo ay ako lamang, sabi mo ay di iiwan, at sabi mo mahal mo ako. Maniwala sa iyo ang puso ko. Miga-miga siya lang everyone. Welcome to my live stream. Miga shoutout pala sa ako ang pinsan diya sa Canada, sa Koy Chapter, Nicole and Blitz and Family YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also to Manay Lamon. Hinahanap pa rin kita, nais na makita ka, di man tayong dalawa. Kahit di mo na mahal, ibigin man kita'y bawal, ang puso ko'y para sa'yo lamang. Sabi mo ay ako lamang, sabi mo ay di iiwan, at sabi mo mahal mo ako. Maniwala sa iyo ang puso ko. Sabi mo ay ako lamang, sabi mo ay di iiwan, at sabi mo mahal mo ako. Maniwala sa iyo ang puso ko. Maniwala sa iyo ang puso ko. Maniwala sa iyo ang puso ko. Miga-miga shoutout kay Manang Biday, kay Jolie Dugaw, sa Team Distiko, Team Tulungan. Miga-miga shoutout everyone. Ano lang to exercise ni Tita Inday. Kasi, alam niyo na, naulan kasi ngayon dito. Hindi naman ako singer, pero ano lang to. Try lang.
全新 BO 类奇迹卸妆 mousse，让泡泡变乳霜，
Advertisement.
彩妆，淋浴间不看。
Mega shoutout pala kay Nilats channel. Mega shoutout to you, loves. Thank you so much to all my viewers and to all the followers of my YouTube channel, Tita Inday ang Driver sa Wheelchair. Mega shoutout everyone. Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay kumakaba? kasalanan ko ang iyong ganda. Puso ko'y nababalisa. Bakit ka'y katabi, ako'y di mapakali. Walang ibang iniisip, kundi ikaw lagi. Sinubukan ko, ika'y kalimutan, ngunit hanggang ngayon di ko makakayanan, pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, hindi ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo, pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Paano ko kaya masasabi sa'yo na ikaw ang tinitibok ng puso ko? Ang aking nadarama ay para lang sa'yo. Asahan mo ito, sinta, ay di na maglalaho, pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, hindi ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo, pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Mega shout out kay Julie Dugaw, bunso ko, watching from Hong Kong. Ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, hindi ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo, pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan, ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, hindi ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo, pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang mahal. Nagwalwan ang kulang. Try lang. G Brothers daw.
Thank you.
ka na sa piling ko. Ika'y mamahal na ng iba. Anong halaga ang mabuhay pa? Naging mo na ang araw at ang buwan. Hindi nasisikat kailanman. Sa langit ikaw ay layo. Dalhin mo na rin pati ang puso ko. Pagkat ito'y di natitibok sa buhay na puno ng kirot. Tanging ko na lang pakiusap na ngayon o hirap. Huwag sana akong kalimutan ang ating nakaraan na kay sarap. Ano daw? I'm just trying lang. I'm not a singer. Sa tanging ikaw ay layo. Dalhin mo na rin pati ang puso ko. Hi, Bibi! Charissa Morano. Hi, Langga. Miga shout out sa team ni Lamon. Tama ba ako? Tanging ko na lang pakiusap. Salamat sa pagtusok. Huwag sana akong kalimutan ang aking nakaraang nakaisarap. Kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo. Mega shout out sa team ni Lamon. Ayan. Mega shout out kay Charissa. Tanda. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Ayan. Tayo tagal naghihintay sa aking buhay. Ngunit ngayon nandito ka. Sana pag-ibig mo ay tunay na. Oo lang nga, dito ako sa Taiwan. Ilang beses din akong lumuha. Mga pangako nila'y naglaho. Sana pag-ibig mo ay tunay na. Huwag na sanang mag-alinlangan. Damdamin ko sa'yo lang laan. Inisumpa ko ikaw ay mamahalin. Sana ganun ka rin sa akin. Nag-try na ang Tita Inday Langga. Hindi ako gaano marunong magkanta sa mga kanta ng mga pambabae. Mga pangako nila'y naglaho. Sana pag-ibig mo ay tunay na. Aking dasal sa ating may kapal. mahal ay tumatagal. Ikaw lang ga, saan ka ba ngayon, Clarissa? Sana pag-ibig mo ay tunay na. Huwag na sanang mag-alinlangan. Damdamin ko sa'yo lang laan. Isinusumpa ko, ikaw ay mamahalin. Sana ganun ka rin sa akin. Aking dasal sa ating may kapal. Lumapit ng matanda ko ba? Oops. Istorbo. Kaya sana pag-ibig mo ay tunay na. Ano lang to sa akin kasi parang nakakaboring. Pasensya na sa mga viewers ko kasi hindi naman ako as in talagang singer. Nag-ano lang talaga sa kita nila kasi nakaka-boring. Hanggang kailan? Ano daw? Hindi ako marunong. Wait lang. Mag-change tayo ng song. Wala ka ba eh? Thank you so much lang
欢迎
ga.
普达腾激励。
Thank you so much. I'm just trying. I'm not a singer in a way, but I'm just trying. Playing with those memories again. Just when I thought time had just been free, these thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you, a feeling I never outgrow. Each and every part of me has tried. Only you can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not beating. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, this memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. Thank you so much, dear. On my own, I've tried to make the best of it alone. I've done everything I can to ease the pain, but only you can stop the rain. I just can't live without you. I miss everything about you. Just when I thought I was over you. Just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, this memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without, go on without, just a minute without you. I don't know. Thank you so much for giving me ayuda. Thank you so much, Jer. Kita Inday, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Mega shout out to you. Without you, without you. Kita Inday want to say, apologize that I am not a singer, but I'm just trying. I always try there. Clarissa, Langga, pakisabi nila na papasok sila sa akin. Wait. Ano ito? Wait lang. Thank you so much, dear. Ito lang. Susunod tayo. Thank you everyone for watching on my YouTube channel. She's only for clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes. You look wonderful tonight. Mega shout out everyone. We go to a party and everyone joined to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. Then the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I don't beautiful tonight. Oh my darling, you were wonderful tonight. I have often told stories about today, and the life of a drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing the songs. Then maybe you would say, "Come live with me and love me," and I would surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance, like the song of a winter going round. This will always be a soldier of fortune. Many times I've been a traveler and look for something new. In these so golden nights recall, I wandered without you. But those days I thought my eyes had seen you standing here. I thought blindness is confusing, it's just that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older, on the songs that I have sung, echo in the distance, like the sound of a winter going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. The sound of a winter going round. He's always be a soldier of fortune. He's always be soldier of fortune. Thank you so much everyone for watching of Tita Inday driving sa roadshow. Yes, welcome to God. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much for watching of my live stream. Mega shout out to you. I don't care. I follow the master down to Gardeford, listening to the rain of change. An August summer night, soldiers passing by, listening to the rain of change. Tender vlog. Mega mega shout out to you, dear. Thank you so much for watching of my live stream. Kita Inday Driver sa live stream. Ang babaeng masaya dito sa Taiwan. Did you ever think we could be so close like brothers? The future's in the air, can feel it everywhere, blowing with the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on a cloudy night, where the children of tomorrow dream away. Walking down the street, distant memories are buried in the past forever. I follow the sky down to Göteborg, listening to the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on a cloudy night, where the children of tomorrow share their dreams with you and me. Take me to the magic of the moment on a cloudy night, where the children of tomorrow dream away in the wind of change. The wind of change blows straight into the face of time, like a storm wind that will ring the freedom bell for peace of mind. Let your body and sing, but my guitar I want to stay. On a cloudy night, where the children of tomorrow share their dreams with you and me. Take me to the magic of the moment on a cloudy night, where the children of tomorrow dream away in the wind of change.
雀巢蜂蜜碎片含天然蜂蜜，非基因改造玉米，蜂蜜让全家人黏在一起。
was gone, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn to moon and counted a million stars. My love still true. Rains have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've started these walls before, and they've made me blue. All along in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still is true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. Asking what or where. No looking back. Count on you every time. It's my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, the miracle find. But I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days in a world we'll do. Long as it's close to you. Mega shoutout pala sa sa pamilya ko dyan sa City Hall. Mega shoutout sa taga City Hall. Pamilya na kanya sa City Hall. Mega shoutout to all my followers in City Hall. The island of Isla de Fuego, kung saan ako nanggaling. Mega shoutout. Count on you to be there. No questions anywhere. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can watching my YouTube channel. Ang Tita Inday, Driver's Adventure dito sa Taiwan. Ang babae ko saya. Mega shout out everyone. You'll make my day, yours me down, yours me down. That I still love you and I want you to know. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. Some days you're tired of being alone. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. It takes two lovers to be as one. Mega siya at kay Chris May Vlogs. Ayan, kaya mo ko. And also to Carlo Fernando. Mega siya at to yung kay Anya Tonight's na loves ko. Lotions of love, they'll come and they'll go. Trust in your heart, maybe your love will grow. Your silent tears, they're so full bright. Baby, I know that you can ride on high in midlife like I do. I hope you want me like I know I want you. Some hearts are diamond, some hearts are stone. Some days you're tired of being alone. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. It takes two lovers to be as one. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. Some days you're tired being alone. Some hearts are diamonds. Thank you so much for watching, mga lalabs. Ito na.
雅诗兰黛霸主精华小棕瓶，启动雕塑修复，激
live stream. I see. I just want to say sorry everyone kasi sintonado si Tita Inday.
哎呀，陀螺来龙别说，
我们说着不一样的语言，
这个听你。
传递着一样的感谢。
Exercise lang sa lalamunan ni Tita Inday. Thank you so much, dear. I am safe home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be thank you so much everyone for watching of my live stream. Thank you so much mga palangga. Again, sorry kasi sintonado si Tita Inday. I hope everyone is like enjoying my YouTube channel for watching my live stream. Again, thank you so much everyone and God bless. Sana ka. Yeah. Bye-bye.